A side hustle is a way to make some extra cash that allows you flexibility to pursue what you're most interested in. It can also be your true passion, a chance to delve into fashion, travel or whatever it is you care about the most without quitting your day job. The 5 best side hustles to start are: 1. Start a blog. No matter what you want to write about, there is almost certainly a niche for it. While it's not easy to monetize a blog at the beginning, you can eventually make a passive income selling ads and digital products like online courses. Blogging is the best side hustle and helped thousands of people live a better life. 2. Become a freelancer. Are you good with photography? Graphic design? Writing? Check out sites like Upwork or Fiverr to get some ideas of what others are doing. Freelance writing can take some time to get started but has been a fun, profitable income stream for me, and there is a ton of potential. Freelancing can also scale into a business relatively easy once you have a few clients. It can also extend into coaching or consulting to earn even more money. 3. Publish a book. Publishing a book could be a good side hustle as you need to spend the time creating content, but if you write about something you are passionate about, it will be easier than you think. Use some of your spare time to start writing your first book. 4. Start a podcast. There are more people listening to podcasts now than ever before. People download them for daily commutes or long flights to stay entertained. Like blogging, podcasts exist for nearly any topic. All you need is a microphone and laptop to get started. Like blogging, it takes time to build an audience, but if you love the topic, you'll stay committed. 5. Sell on Amazon. Do you know what a private label product is? If you have shopped on Amazon, there is a strong chance you have purchased a private label product in the past. Instead of a recognizable brand, someone buys products from China, adds their logo and ships to an Amazon warehouse. Amazon then ships the products to consumers, including Prime, and handles returns and customer service. There are some higher upfront costs to this side hustle, but some people make hundreds of thousands of dollars every month by using fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. These side hustles are more long-term projects that can evolve into a business. So these are the 5 best side hustles to start this year. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, finance, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.